Hey everybody, today we have a 2016 Honda Civic LX. This vehicle is certified pre-owned, so you're going to get all types of added warranty and protection with it. Gorgeous cosmic blue color. Let's take a look at some of these interior features. Okay, taking a look at the trunk space in the back of this Civic, you'll notice it is incredibly roomy in the back. Lots of trunk space for any groceries and odds and ends you need to fit back there. Moving to the back seat area, lots of leg and headroom. You also have the gray cloth interior, extremely comfortable seating in these Civics. And moving along to the front, you have an economy mode selection, brake hold feature, electronic parking brake. You're also going to have steering controls, cruise control, and Bluetooth capabilities in this vehicle as well. Okay folks, come on down to 115 Lenz Rd to Delaney Honda here in Indiana, PA, and check out this just-in 2016 Honda Civic LX. This vehicle is certified, so lots of added protection with it. With less than 25,000 miles, it is like new, and it's going to get you a great fuel economy. Make sure you come check it out today and come see me, Tristan. Thank you folks, have a great day.